So hello dear students, I am Gaurav William. Once again in front of you, I am from the Candale School. So now today we have to learn our experiment number 2. And according to this experiment, aim to measure the internal diameter and depth of a given beaker or calorimeter by using vernier calipers and hence find its volume. And apparatus required are a beaker or a calorimeter, vernier calipers. And according to the theory, according to the theory, the volume of beaker will be pi r square h, where r is internal resistance and h is the height of given cylindrical body. It may be beaker or calorimeter. So now, this is observation table for diameter and height of the given cylindrical body. Okay. Go. This is the cylindrical body. We have to find its volume, but we know that this is a cylindrical body. So volume to find volume of this body, there is a formula, and according to formula, V is equal to pi r square h. It means that we need radius and height of given cylindrical body. So how can we find its radius and height? So we have an apparatus, and we know that name of this apparatus is vernier calipers. So with the help of this apparatus, we can find height and radius of given cylindrical body. As we are looking at, there are two tables. This table is for radius or diameter, and this is for height, or you can say depth. Okay. So firstly, we should know how much or how many error in this vernier calipers. So how can we find error? In previous video, we have learned that there are two types of error, positive error and negative error, and we also know how can we correct. So firstly, we have to look at which error in this. So we are looking that there is a positive error because its first point is from the left side of 0. So its error will be coinciding division. So let's look which division is coinciding. So we are looking that its third division is coinciding with main scale. So write here 3 because this is positive. So write here 4. So 4 into least count, that is 0.01. It means that plus 0.03. Its correction will be, correction is equal to minus 0.03. Now firstly, we have to find what is the diameter. So we will find 3 readings for the diameter, 3 or 4 reading for diameter and 3 or 4 reading for height of given cylindrical body. This is first, second, third and fourth. So now set its outer jaw inside the given cylindrical body like this. Now remove this and take its reading from the reading. So we are looking that its first point is at 2.6. So right here 2.6 all readings is in centimeter. Now again check its main scale and vernier scale coinciding division. So we are looking that its 7th division is coinciding with main scale. So write here 7. Now calculate it. So value is n, means coinciding division into vernier constant. Vernier constant means reading of least count of vernier caliper. So write here 0.01. It means that it will be 0.07. Now observed value will be x. It means that 2.6 and plus 0.07. So it will be 2.67. Now the corrected diameter is capital D equal to D, that is 2.67, and minus its error is 0.03. So it will be 2.64. So this is diameter D1. Now for the second process, again we have to follow same process. Now again set this jaw, outer jaw, inside the given cylindrical body and read again this value. And we are looking that again we have found same reading. So write down again same thing. 2.6 is main scale reading. 7 division is coinciding. So its value will be 0.07 and it will be 2.67 and this will be also 2.67. This is D. Okay. Now find its third reading. So the process is same. Again set this jaw inside the given cylindrical body and now calculate its value. But this time we are looking that its value is 2.7. So write here 2.7 and its coinciding division is, as we are looking that 4th division is coinciding. So write here 4. After calculating this, we will find 0.04 and this value will be 2.74 and this will be 2.70. This is D3. Now fourth and last reading for diameter is, again set this in this jaw and now we are looking that there are same reading as first and second. Okay, so right here again 2.6, 7, 0.07, 2.67 and 2.64. This is D4. And we are looking that D1, D2 and D4 are same, but D3 are not same. So after taking mean of these values, we will get D is equal to 2.64. So radius will be 1.32. This is the radius of given cylindrical body, but this is internal resistance. So for the volume, now we have radius. So now the next reading is for height. So this reading is for the height in this reading. So now next heading is for height, because in the formula of volume there are height also. So now we can find height or depth of this given cylindrical body with the help of tail of vernier calipers. So put it like this and set it to the touch of the upper part. Now we can take reading So we are looking that the reading is 4.2. Main scale reading is 4.2. So right here its reading is 4.2 and the division which are coinciding is 6th. This division is coinciding. So at the place of vernier division coinciding, write 6. After solving this, similar to the upper observation table, it will be 0.06 and observed value will be 4.26 and its tested value will be 4.22. Again take its next reading. So we are looking that there is no changes. So again right here 4.2, 6, 0.06, 4.26, 4.22. Now again take this. So this time we are looking that there is a small change and that is 4.3. So at the place of main scale reading right here 4.3 and we are looking that its third division is coinciding with the main scale. So right here 3. So its reading will be 0.03 or you can say 4.33. So its value will be 4.2. So this is 4.3. Now the fourth reading, once again keep this in this. So now we are looking that there are same reading as first, second. Okay, so right here 4.2, 6, 0.06, 4.26, 4.2. So this is H1, H2, H3 and H4. So we are looking at H1, H2 and H3 are same. So height of given body will be 4.23 centimeter. Now we have radius and height. So apply here. So you will get V equal to value of pi is 22/7 and R square is 1.32 square into H is 4.23. So now after solving this you will get volume of given body. It will be after solving this you will get 23.14 centimeter cube. So now we have found volume of this given spherical body is 23.14. So in two videos I hope that you have learned that how can we use vernier calipers. So thanks to all of you for watching, and you can give me any suggestion for betterness of our study. I will change myself for you and I will do hard work for you. So thanks to all of you for watching. Thank you.